today?
It's not a vlog, bro.
Are you making a mini movie like Austin? I like this. Nick's vlogging.
It's not a fucking vlog, dude. I don't know what you're talking about. What the hell? Dude, the kit is... What the hell?
What's up, guys?
I didn't say it was a vlog, bro.
What are you filming?
I don't know. Like, this probably won't even be in the video. Like, I'll probably put like a little glitch edit, like... And like, it'll like...
So,
like raw, dude.
follow me on Instagram. I don't want this anymore. Oh, we're going to Perth Amboy.
Perth Amboy.
Perth Amboy. You should make a vlog, like that ass.
No vlogs.
Pick up on the vlog.
No vlogs, dude.
Back then, when I got home from work, you were always there waiting for me. And that was all I needed. Just you. But on that day, when I came back home, the only thing there was that pocket watch. That and a small piece of paper that had just one word written across it. Farewell.
We are in Perth Amboy.
Oh. Okay.
We have to ride somebody's house.
I have 17% with 4. What the hell? Yeah, you gotta do it like this, Kenny. You ready? That was so steez, bro. But what is it? Where's it going?
The gram.
The gram. That's what vloggers do. Do they just stick their heads out windows and go like this?
No, you got